Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today we got 3 awesome digital watch faces for you all to check out in the Good Manager store. One is going to be a free trial, the other 2 are going to be free for the taking, so you got to download ASAP. Alright, let's kick it off with this first watch face. It's called Galaxy Free Trial 2. It doesn't say actually how long the trial is, but it's only a free trial. Check it out. If you like it, keep it. I like the look. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look except for the stars that's twinkling in the background. That looks to me super awesome. You're going to get a floating second hand if you look to the left, going around the bezel of the watch, and the other dot represents your minutes. The other one down at the bottom is going to represent your hour. Now you get stacked digital time with animated seconds as well. You're going to get the information that says Earth solar system to the left. You're going to get your year and your date to the right. Definitely this is a good look so far as the animation is concerned for a digital watch face that is only, remember, a free trial. All right, with that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Let's check out watch face number 2. Now number 2 is off the charts. I'm loving the look of this one. Remember, this one is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. It's called Dark Elegant. It's a 24-hour watch face. This one gets my stamp of approval. In the AOD mode, you're going to have a nice black background, so it's going to be in a dark theme type of mode. Once the watch face is on, I'm loving the background. We got some more for you all to check out. Just stay tuned. You're going to get your day of the week at the top along with your date. In the center, you're going to get a nice legible digital time. I'm loving the font on this as well. Down at the bottom, for those of you all who need to keep up with your step info, it's down there for you. Now that little dot that you see that's orange, that's going to represent your battery. So if it's full or near full, it's going to show up green. I'm quite sure when it's red, it's going to show up red when it's on low sale, like normally what I ride on most of the time. But this is a nice look. I like it. Now it is an interactive watch face, surprisingly. So if I double tap, I can cycle through the many different watch face themes that this watch face has to offer. But it only gives you 2 colors so far as that look is concerned, and I thought that was very different. I thought it would have gave us more, but again, remember, this is a free watch face, so this is not a deal breaker at all. That's one of the colors, and this one is the next one. I do like this look, but all in all, for a free watch face, I'm going to say this one is worthy of a download. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 3. Last but not least, watch face number 3. Now number 3 is called MPC50 Grey. This is the US version. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, and you already know how the story goes. So if you're looking for a nice digital watch face that's going to be geared toward fitness and it's going to help with battery efficiency, then this is definitely the one you want to download right now. Now in the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look. You're going to get a nice digital time. You're going to get your step status info. But once the watch face is on, I like the design and the display of all the information. You're going to get everything you need from your date, your battery info, heart rate, steps, distance, miles walked or ran, calories burned. Everything is here. You don't have to tap into anything. Everything is already up front for you to see. So I thought it was a nice watch face so far as the digital look is concerned. And again, remember, it is geared toward fitness. I thought it wasn't a bad look, but at the end of the day, people, it's going to always be about you. So with that being said, listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Are these watch faces a download, or leave them exactly right where they are? All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button before you leave. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.